walked in wearing high heels, taking up too much attention. Hips are swaying in that tight skirt, legs you'd always have to mention. The guys just kept on staring as she sashayed across the floor. Jaws dropped as she got closer, already wanting more. She smiled and looking around, knew she could deal the whole damn deck. But I decided then and there, this time I'm gonna take a rain check. Yeah, gonna take a rain check. She knew when she was working that the crowd would come her way. Didn't need to have a reason, didn't need too much to say. Watched her snap those long-nailed fingers, saw the boys fall into line. Had to give the girl her credit, played the game good every time. Yeah, playing good. She smiled and looking around, knew she could deal the whole damn deck. But I decided then and there, this time I'm gonna take a rain check. Yeah, I'm gonna take a rain check. She looked me up and down, she knew I wasn't gonna fall in line. Raised a brow and then a small smile, knew she was gonna need a lot more time. That girl didn't know that she was losing. Playing games doesn't suit my style. She tried every trick she had in mind to try to take me down. Didn't know that she was punching, soon that smile just became a frown. She smiled and looking around, knew she could deal the whole damn deck. But I decided then and there, this time I'm gonna take a rain check. Yeah, I'm gonna take a rain check. She came and sat beside me, sliding close and looking good. Whispered bad things in my ear, trying everything she could. I just turned and smiled and took her hand. I gave her a brand new deck. I looked into those deep blue eyes and said, thanks, but I'm gonna take a rain check. Sorry, girl, but I'm gonna take a rain check. Yeah, now I'm gonna take a rain check. This time I'm gonna take a rain check. Always gonna be another rain check.